California is among many states experiencing a COVID surge.
Today in the Bay's Kris Sanchez is live this morning in San Jose. I know, Kris, you're outside one wastewater facility that's been critical in tracking COVID data.
Good morning to you, Ginger and Marcus. So California uses wastewater levels to monitor COVID activity. This is one of the dozen or so around the Bay Area that are seeing elevated levels. Let's take a look at that map there. It's going to show you exactly where we are seeing elevated levels across the Bay Area, according to the California Department of Public Health dashboard. Now, all of the wastewater monitoring sites across the Bay seem to be at elevated levels over the last week or so. Now, part of this is because people are out and about on summer travel, but also there's another reason.
It is a master masquerader. I mean, it just continues to find new ways to develop, ways to evade the immune system. And so as these new variants come out and they are just a little bit different than previous strains, it's harder for our body to fight them.
Okay, so with that, you might be wondering, well, do I need to get a vaccine booster? Are my vaccines protecting me? The doctor says yes, vaccination is still your best course of action to avoid a prolonged illness and a serious illness. We are also seeing a slight uptick in hospitalizations. So people are still getting very, very sick. People are still getting long COVID. Now, still with this new variant, the flirt, the doctor says that most people who feel sick and go on to test have cough, nasal congestion, sore throat, very similar symptoms to the ones that we've seen throughout the history of COVID, we'll call it, over the last 4 years. So the vaccine booster for the fall is in the works. It's going to be tailored the way that the flu vaccine is to whatever is trending at that time. So that should protect us better for the fall. But in the meantime, best practices are, if you're in an enclosed space, if you don't know what people's vaccine status is, if you see somebody who maybe appears to be sick, you can mask up. Make sure you wash your hands, you use hand sanitizer, and remind the kids too, because they are certainly enjoying their summer and getting out about as well. In San Jose, Kris Sanchez, Today in the Bay.